Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. In this video, there are many unique techniques to dye hair and different color hairstyles are here. In this video, you can adopt and make your hairstyle at your home according to your occasions. First of all, Galaxy hairstyle. This style is inspired by the cosmos and the feature deep blues, purple and black with added shimmer and sparkles to mimic the night sky. It often incorporates elements like stars and galaxies. Other technique to dye the hairs, color melt. Color melt is a technique where multiple colors seamlessly blend together, creating a smooth transitions between shades. It can be done with similar tones or contrasting colors for a unique and eye-catching effect. Along these techniques and methods to dye your hair, please remember that achieving and maintaining the colorful hairstyles often requires bleaching or lightening the hair before apply the vibrant colors. It's essential to consult with a professional stylist to ensure the proper application and minimize the optional damage to your hair. These are all precautions for your hair and maintenance of your hair health. Other techniques to dye your hairs, customizations. Colorful hairstyles offer endless possibilities for customization. You can choose to experiment with various color combinations, create unique patterns to design, or even incorporate accessories like hair glitter, beads, braids to further enhance your styles. Remember, colorful hairstyles are a form of self-expression and can be a fun way to showcase your creativity. It is always a good idea to consult with a professional stylist for care and precautions to your hairs. Thank you for watching this video.